Hello everyone, this is Kateri with Kateri's Crafty Ideas. I am doing a premiere for tomorrow's live just to give everyone an idea of what we are working on and I'd like for everybody that's going to be in chat to also craft with us. So what we are going to do is I'm going to give everyone things that I want them to get together, and we are all going to work with the same things and see what each of us come up with. So what I need you to do is to maybe get a piece of cardstock, either 8.5 by 11, 12 by 12, something. You get one piece of cardstock. Then you can grab 3 other sheets of paper. This one I actually made, and I'm not sure where this one came from. And then I've got some music paper. So that's 3 sheets of paper and 1 cardstock. Then you can either grab some plain cards that you might have, or you may get, I actually got this in the mail, and I'm going to reuse it, and there's an envelope. So you can get yourself a card and an envelope, or you can use plain cards if you want. Then you want to get some different types of stamps, or you can use maybe some that you have actually cut out. These are real stamps. You can actually get some ephemera of little pictures, and if you've got the scissors, you can cut, around to make it look like a stamp. But I'd like for you to grab some stamps, maybe a piece of lace. This is a napkin that I got from Madison Azar, so I'm going to be using that. Isn't he pretty? He's just so beautiful. And look at that sunflower. I love those colors. So we are going to be working with that. And then I actually have a photograph. So you can use a photograph with a person's face on it, or just whatever. I have no clue at this point what I am going to make. This is stuff that I just pulled out. And then I've got some little ephemera pictures of some ladies that I may stick on. You may want to put an animal or scenery or something like that. But your little pictures, use little pictures that are maybe larger, or I mean smaller than whatever stamp you might use. I realize both of these are small, but you can use one or the other. And then the only other thing that I've actually got here is, these are all Bible verses that I kind of pulled out. You can use a favorite quote that you like, or you can use something like this that has a quote from a Bible that you can maybe use to put on, your project. So that's all that you really need. Your glue and your ink does not count. If you use double-faced tape, that doesn't count. If you use Mod Podge, that doesn't count. It's just the pieces that we're using. So, yeah. So that is, I think, all. So I'll be surprised. You don't have to use every bit of this. You can use, just little pieces of this, or You know, it's just an idea. So, anyway, and it doesn't make any difference if your cardstock is double-sided. Mine's not, because you're probably going to be making something and covering it up anyway, or not, just depends. So that kind of gives you an idea of, you know, the things that you'll need for tomorrow. So we will see you at 12 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Bye-bye. Sleep tight.